EG Tech Research Institute is India's exclusive research organization established for the purpose of creating awareness on scientific and analytical instrumentation in the scientific community. With our institutionally certified courses, we provide research and training on high-tech analytical and scientific instruments used in pharmaceutical, chemical and advanced technologies industries. Our organization, in association with universities and government and private colleges, conducts training programs and seminars in Central India.
तो मैं सबसे पहले धन्यवाद देता हूं आपको दोबारा से जितने प्रोफेसर्स आए हैं जो मुझे सुनना चाह रहे हैं, आपको भी, आपके इंस्टीट्यूट को भी, कॉलेज को भी और एमपी गवर्नमेंट को भी। थोड़ा सा मैं आत्मनिर्भर भारत के ऊपर बोलना चाहूंगा कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत की जो मोदी जी की जो अवधारणा अभी है, ये बहुत पहले महात्मा गांधी जी की भी थी। हम सब लोग गाँव में रहते थे, हम किसी पर डिपेंडेंट नहीं थे। आज हमें कुछ खाना होता है तो हम बर्गर खाते हैं, पिज्जा खाते हैं, जबकि हमारे छोले भटूरे पूरी उससे कहीं ज्यादा न्यूट्रिशियस और ज्यादा बेटर हैं। पहले हमारे सेंटर हुआ करते थे नालंदा, तक्षशिला, जहाँ पे वर्ल्ड से लोग आया करते थे। आज हमारे बच्चे 12वीं के बाद ही कहना शुरू कर देते हैं कि हमें बाहर पढ़ाने के लिए भेज दो, जबकि हमारे कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की कमी नहीं है। मतलब हमें बचपन से बच्चों में इनकलकेट करना है कि भी इंडिया इज द बेस्ट, वी आर द बेस्ट। लोकल को वोकल करना है, अपने कॉलेजेस को वोकल करना है, अपनी स्टडीज को वोकल करना है, अपने कल्चर को वोकल करना है, अपनी भाषा और संस्कृति को वोकल करना है। हम इंग्लिश बोलें लेकिन हिंदी बोलने में शर्म ना करें। तो हमें मैक्रो लेवल पे भी सोचना पड़ेगा, मैक्रो लेवल पे भी सोचना पड़ेगा। मैक्रो लेवल पे हम किसी पे डिपेंडेंट ना रहें, हम आधुनिकीकरण करें। वी शुड बी मॉडर्नाइज, बट लेकिन वेस्टर्न कल्चर पे ना जाए। FSSAI has one chairperson and 20 members. Chairperson is appointed by the central government, that is Ministry of Health. It is an officer not below the rank of secretary, and there is the food authority is assisted by the scientific panel. There are 21 scientific panels on various food categories like on fish and fish product, meat and meat product, milk and milk product, oils, supplements, fortificants, nutrition, and there is scientific committee, and the scientific committee's recommendations are placed before the food authority, who sits around 3 to 4 times a year. In quality assurance division, I deal with recognition and notification of laboratories, implementation of center sector scheme, under which we are strengthening the food safety testing system in the country. We are providing high-end equipments to the state governments for testing of pesticides, heavy metals, antibiotic, naturally occurring toxic substances. We are also providing them food safety on wheels. There are few equipments, a milko screen, then can detect adulteration, and we can test spices, oils, and more than 54 parameters we can check through food safety on wheels. At present, there are 19 mobile labs. I am calling these mobile labs as food safety on wheels. A number of labs is with Bhopal also, with MP government also, and you can the schools in the Madhya Pradesh can contact food safety commissioner for providing training, testing, and awareness through these mobile food testing labs. We also, our division in the FSSAI also give training to the laboratory personnel. We are imparting various type of training programs and how to take enable accreditation, what are the good food laboratory practices, how can we deal with the testing of specialized testing of mycotoxins, heavy metals, antibiotics, etc. During COVID, we have organized around 200 training programs online through webinars, in which 40,000 participants were there. So it was a good success. Anybody can join these platforms. If anybody is interested, you give me your number. We will provide a link to you to attend the programs.